Welcome to Win-Loss Analysis. In this video, you'll learn how to analyze deals you've won and lost to improve your sales strategy and messaging. Understanding why customers choose you or your competitors is one of the most powerful ways to grow your business. Win-loss analysis is a systematic review of completed deals. You examine why customers chose your solution or picked a competitor instead. By studying these patterns, you can identify why deals succeed, why they fail, and most importantly, what you can do differently in the future. It's not just about winning more deals. It's about understanding the real reasons behind customer decisions. Win-loss analysis helps you uncover blind spots in your positioning and messaging. You learn how customers actually see you compared to competitors. You discover opportunities to improve your sales process, increase deal size, and win more frequently. It also aligns your entire team. Marketing, sales, and product all learn what customers actually care about, so everyone moves in the same direction. The process has 4 main steps. First, define your scope by selecting which deals you want to analyze. Second, gather data through customer interviews and direct feedback. Third, analyze what you've learned by finding patterns and common themes. Fourth, implement improvements based on your insights. These steps create a repeatable cycle that drives continuous improvement. When you talk to customers, ask specific questions. Why did you choose us? What were your top priorities? How did we compare to competitors? What could we improve? Was pricing a factor? Who influenced the decision? These questions help you understand not just the what, but the why behind every decision customers make. You can collect feedback in 3 main ways. One-on-one interviews with decision makers give you detailed insights and let you dig deeper with follow-up questions. Surveys let you collect structured feedback from many customers at scale. And data analysis involves reviewing your CRM and sales activity to spot patterns in how deals moved through your pipeline. Most effective programs use a combination of all 3. As you analyze feedback, watch for these 6 common themes. Product fit means features or capabilities you're missing. Pricing is about cost barriers or budget constraints. Competition is when a competitor has a real or perceived advantage. Awareness is when customers simply didn't know you existed. Timing covers issues with deal timing or implementation schedules. And fit is when your solution works great, but not for that particular company or industry. Insights are only valuable if you act on them. First, prioritize your findings to focus on what has the biggest impact and happens repeatedly. Second, align your stakeholders by sharing results with sales, marketing, and product teams. Third, create specific action plans with clear changes and timelines. Fourth, track your results to measure whether your changes actually increase win rates and deal size. Without action, you're just collecting data. Follow these 6 best practices. Stay objective and avoid bias toward your product or team. Listen more than you talk and let customers share their perspective without interruption. Interview multiple stakeholders because different people see the deal differently. Look for patterns and recurring themes instead of focusing on one-off outliers. Act quickly before your insights become outdated. And make this continuous. Run analysis regularly, not just once. When you execute win-loss analysis effectively, expect these results. Higher win rates as you improve sales effectiveness. Larger deals as your positioning commands premium pricing. Better targeting by focusing on ideal customer profiles. Sharper messaging that resonates with what customers actually care about. Faster sales cycles with fewer objections. And aligned teams where sales, marketing, and product all work toward the same goals with the same customer insights. Here are the key takeaways. Win-loss analysis reveals why deals succeed or fail. Systematic feedback collection drives actionable insights. Cross-functional alignment multiplies the impact of what you learn. And continuous analysis keeps your strategy competitive as markets change. Start your win-loss analysis today and transform customer feedback into your competitive advantage.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.